Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to choose your username on your account on Signal easy and quickly. So first enter this application and then click here on your profile icon and click again. So as you see here, you are on the profile section. So here we have username, so click on it. Now as you see here we have username. You can choose your username or add something. So for example this, and click save. It will be saved. So that's it. That's how to choose your username on your account on Signal easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.